Hi guys, and welcome to the Q Kitchen Renovation Edition. As you can see, the kitchen is all tore up right now. Absolutely everything is a complete freaking mess right now. So, we're gonna get ready for lunch tomorrow when my crew takes a break. I'm gonna make sure I have a nice little lunch set up. Now, the Camu's ahead of my crew. He's a little bit, he's got a bit of an acid reflux issue. So, I told him I got to make something with a lot of flavor for him without having any acid. So let me show you what I'm going to do. We're going to make a spinach potato feta flatbread. I'm going to start with, I have these pre-made flatbreads because I really can't cook right now. You could use a pita or a store-bought naan bread would work great. I'm just going to put just a little bit down here on the bottom. It's going to be the glue that holds together the bottom. Alright. Now to that, I have some onions, which I sauteed the other day. Gotta put them down. The weather was nice the other night, so I had the fire pit going, and I put some potatoes in there when I was done and left them in there when I went to bed, right on the coals. I put a little bit of olive oil on them, some salt, some Italian seasoning, and they roasted up beautifully. So I'm just going to take that, slice off the end, and slice this into nice thin pieces. Now, potato and onion on a flatbread is actually a pretty classic Sicilian Italian thing. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. So my friend Louis Desiato told me. So we're just going to take these thin potatoes and spread them on our flatbreads. All right. Now for some flavor here. I'm going to put a big handful of spinach on both of them. And it's okay if the spinach looks like a lot, because when it cooks, it's just going to go down to like nothing. So don't be shy. Put a good handful onto each of them. And we're going to top them with another handful of cheese. My blend here is mozzarella and Asiago, finely shredded. I brought the pre-shred because I'm not really into cleaning anything up right now with the kitchen torn up. So a good handful of that. Then I have some crumbled feta cheese. I'm just going to put a few pieces on the top. The saltiness will really come out in the feta and give it a great flavor. And tomorrow, since the flatbread's already pre-cooked, all I gotta do is pop it in the oven at about 500 for 5 minutes and it will be done. And I will show you tomorrow what that looks like. Now, it won't be tomorrow. For you, it'll be like 2 seconds. So, have a good night. And I'll see you tomorrow.